Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford garage door opener. First, park your vehicle safely outside the garage for safety. Next, clear any existing programming from your home link system. To do this, press and hold the two outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This crucial step ensures a fresh start for programming your garage door opener, making the process smoother. For rolling code systems, begin by pressing and holding your chosen home link button and your garage door remote button simultaneously. The home link indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly. Next, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit. Press this button once. You will have approximately 30 seconds to return to your vehicle and press the programmed home link button 3 times to complete the synchronization. For older, fixed-code garage door openers, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the garage door remote button. The home link indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly. Release both buttons once the light flashes rapidly. Now, test the programmed home link button to confirm it successfully operates your garage door. If you encounter issues, first ensure your original garage door remote has fresh batteries. Sometimes, repeating the programming steps from the beginning can resolve problems. Certain older garage door openers might require a new remote for successful home link programming. Always consult your Ford owner's manual for specific vehicle instructions, or contact your garage door opener manufacturer for additional support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.